2, 3.
Stop bleaching, no. Stop bleaching. Stop bleaching. Since I stopped bleaching, my skin has never been the same. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very good face cream that I have been using recently, okay? And in my previous video, I made a review of the Nivea body lotion, the Nivea Q10 with vitamin C body lotion, okay? But people don't really know that it has a face cream. They use this one for the face and it tends to break them up, and then they say the cream is not good, blah 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 blah. But today I'm going to assure you that the cream is very, very good. I use the body lotion and I'm going to talk about the face cream today, okay? So it comes in so many different kinds, okay? The face creams, I'll show you a video of that now. It comes in so many different, but skincare is try and error, okay? You have to be trying every day, and then you got to choose which one works for you. Sometimes the cream will tend to destroy your skin, but girl, even if it is marriage, you need to try some of the many, okay, to see who is the best. The same way you need to try all the creams to see which one works best for you. So today I'm coming to talk about the Nivea face creams, okay? I'm using these two types. As I said, they have a lot, but I'm using these two types. This is the day cream. This is the day cream. A lot of you don't know that Nivea has a face cream. This is the face cream, but the day cream is face cream, but it's not for a night. Like right now, let's say I wash my face, I'm not supposed to use the day cream. I'm supposed to use the night one because I'm shooting this video in the night. It comes in a very thick form, as you can see, very, very thick. So what I do is, after I cleanse my face with my face soap, which I will make a video of it in my next video, I clean my face with that, and then I tone my face with the ordinary toner, okay? I've made a video of that, but I'll still do a new one. I will tone my face with that. Then in the evening, it's either I choose to apply vitamin C serum or niacinamide serum, or this is the word I find it difficult to pronounce, hyaluronic, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Then I choose one of this, and then after that I apply, when it's morning I will apply my day cream, and then after that I apply my sunscreen, okay? And please don't forget your sunscreens in the morning. It clears your skin from wrinkles. Like I'm loving my skin, please. I'm loving my skin. Then this is the night cream, okay? This is with hyaluronic cellular filler, okay? And I forgot to talk a little about this one. This Q10, it says it's anti-wrinkles, and it contains SPF 15, okay? You can't see it well, but when you see it contains SPF 15. So even if you don't have SPF, at least this cream is able to protect you. So let me go back to the evening one. That one is for anti-wrinkles, and this is for anti-aging, okay? The blue one, it says with anti-aging, and this one is my favorite is this one. Like when you apply it, you feel like you have applied something moisturizing on your skin. You get what I mean? It's very, very good. Don't use this one in the morning. This is for the evening, and it's so good. And oh, I also forgot another thing. This day one contains vitamin C and vitamin E, okay? I threw the box away. It contains vitamin E and vitamin C, whereas this one contains I don't know, I threw the box away, but it's very good, my dear. Since I started, see, go through my previous videos and compare the skin. I'm using the same camera, like I'm just looking myself like, girl. And the funny thing is, before I used to think that these creams are for white people. I live in Germany and I was like, no, I'm not going to use white people's creams. So I'll go to Afro shop and they go, I'll buy all these things. After that, my knuckles will come, green veins, your skin is not flawless. Please just go and buy it. It's so affordable. This one is like 10 euro and the other one is like 10. So if you have like 30 or 40 euro, you can get the whole set. Okay, you can get the whole set. I'm loving this Nivea Q10. Seriously, look at my skin. Look at my skin. That's the only, I don't add any oil. I don't add vitamin C or any oil because I want to see how the cream works for my skin. And it actually works. It's only my face that sometimes I use the vitamin C and all these stuffs. So sisters, brothers, go and get this cream. Go and get this cream. Go and get this cream, Mo. Go and get it and come and thank me later. If you watched till now, please like the video, share, subscribe, and then let's be family again. I love you all. Thank you. Mwah.